Hey, so in this video I want to show you another link building tactic. This one is using infographics. And what infographics allow you to do is not only to create links pointing back to your site, but they also allow you to send organic and targeted traffic back to your site as well. So basically, similarly to answers on question sites like Quora and Yahoo Answers, just like the ones we saw previously, infographics can be used to send traffic and receive links to our site. But how does this work? So the goal here is to create a valuable infographic so that other sites want to post it on their site. So let's say, for example, here on the right, you have an authoritative site and there's an internal page where they actually post your infographic. They will obviously credit you and link back to your money site, which will send it link power and traffic as well, if of course the site is a quality site. And this is what an infographic looks like. I mean, I'm sure you know how they work. But this is an example, for example, let's say for our plumber site. So if we create an infographic about plumbing, in this case, what makes a good plumber, I'm sure we can find some blogs or some sites that talk about plumbing from people that are actually passionate about plumbing, and ask them if they want to put our infographic over there. But I'll be talking later on how to actually get that done. The idea here is that you're giving them free content, basically. You are giving them an actual good looking image, in this case an infographic, for them to post on your site at no charge at all. And most of them will actually accept it. And even though you're getting a link back to your site, you should always brand your infographics. In this case, you can see the one on the right has a brand from conversion, so it's always important to brand your infographic. But where do you actually make an infographic? It's pretty simple, it's free as well. It's using a tool called Canva, and let's go over it right now. And this is the tool, it's called Canva. Just go to canva.com, create a free account, and you'll be redirected here. And now just type in infographic and click this one right here, and it'll give you templates of infographics already pre-made, which is fantastic. So you can create, of course, a blank template, or you can choose from the hundreds of ones they have here and make it relevant to your industry. For example, let's do this one right here. Just click it, and then let's say if you had a website about, I think gaming, maybe gaming, you just create a valuable infographic here with some stats and some valuable information, and then you're done. Of course, leaving your logo here on the bottom, and yeah, you can edit this. You can change what it says here. Okay, so you can change the images, you can add more images, you can change the colors, everything. And this is basically how you create an infographic. Again, pretty straightforward. It's just a great strategy to actually get links and traffic sent directly to your site. So now what? Now you have an infographic. How do you get it published anywhere? The idea here is you get in touch with sites in your niche and ask them if they want to post your infographic on their sites, on their blogs. It's actually pretty simple. But they can ask you, why should we link to you? Why should we do this for you? And the answer is simple. It's because you're giving them quality content they can show their readers for absolutely free. It's content that they didn't have to work for, which makes it, of course, 100% free. And it's also different from what they usually have. Most of these sites will only have texts and video blogs. Video blogs is actually rare, but none of them will have actually infographics, which is something that is actually very interesting to look at, and it's helpful. So that's why they should actually post your infographic. So they have nothing to lose. You're giving them free, valuable content their readers can actually enjoy for absolutely free. And with this, you're getting not only traffic back to your site, but also a link from them. And regarding the traffic, also just like the Quora and Yahoo Answers, this traffic is targeted since you are posting, let's say, on a blog about plumbers, an infographic about plumbing. So the people that are on there are most likely interested in what you have to say, and they'll most likely click and browse around your site because they're actually interested. And this applies to any other industry. Let's say plastic surgery, for example. You can perfectly get in touch with a blog about plastic surgery and ask them to post your plastic surgery infographic on there, and then to link out to your site. This is a pretty known link building strategy, but I thought it would be interesting for you to know how it works and how to actually create an infographic and what are the benefits of doing so. Okay, I hope you liked this video. That being said, I will see you in the next one.